Hey ladies, so today I'm doing a video that's a little bit different than what I usually do. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of my purchases that I got when I visited Paris just a couple weeks ago in November for my birthday. So every time I go somewhere, I always research what is the best thing to buy in that country. Like what is the thing you can only get in that country, the cheapest thing to get in that country, etc. And so when I searched for Paris, the one thing that I found that most people say get in Paris, outside of like beauty products, is Louis Vuitton. I'm going to show you what I got first, and then we'll get into why Paris or France is the best place to buy your Louis Vuitton. I love the packaging. As you can see, this is a purchase I made a couple years ago. I pulled it out because I want to show you guys how one of my purchases works with it. But I like to keep the boxes because they're pretty and they make for great storage and keep your, Louis safe and secure and unharmed. So, and this is the dust bag. Also says Louis Vuitton on it. And this is the purse. You guys have probably seen this a lot of places. If you're looking at this video, you're probably looking at it specifically because you're thinking about purchasing this purse. This is really popular right now. I love the size. I'm really into small bags. My last Louis purchase was this big bag and I love it, but I don't really carry a lot of items, so this is much more befitting to my lifestyle. So this is the bag. This was my second choice because the one thing I love about this purse is it comes with some inserts. So it comes with a monogrammed coin case, which as you can see has a zipper slot on the top, and then it opens up with the fuchsia on the inside. And it comes with a fuchsia card case. So it has 8 card slots, and then it has this opening as well where you can slide some cash or receipts or whatnot. So I love that it came with the inserts because I can use these in my big purse. I can use them in other purses. They're just great purse organizers. And on the inside, as you can see, that's the space. It has one interior back pocket, and then it has the gold chain. So I chose the Felice over the Pochette favorite MM, I want to say it is, because I love the gold chain. The other one had a leather strap, which is cool, but I just love the bling of the gold chain. And as I've been thinking of different ways that I can style and wear this, I realized that the gold chain is actually much more versatile. So I'm going to do a whole video on like 5 or 6 different ways that you can style this purse, and you'll see what I mean by the versatility. But that's the basic bag. I will show you guys exactly what you can fit in it, which is not much. You can get your phone, your keys, your lipstick, lip gloss. If you're like me, I'm not really into wallets. I usually just carry this, which is this, I want to say it's like called a Jacob's Ladder wallet. This one's by Supreme, or no, this one's by the Hundreds. But yeah, it's just like that, and then you can slide like cash right here. But I say all that to say, this is what I carry for my wallet. I'm not into big wallets. I don't have time for big wallets. So if you're like me, this is all you really need. And plus, like I said, it comes with this, so you can put your cards, and this is essentially your wallet right here. I knew that I wanted to get another item, and for a second I was thinking wallets, but I just explained why I don't do wallets. So that was kind of like, it kind of felt pointless to spend my money on a wallet. So instead I got this, which is a purse strap. So I got this because I figured it would amp up the style of the Pochette here, and then I knew that I could use it on my bigger purse as well, because my bigger purse is like a boho style and it doesn't have a long strap, it just has the shoulder strap. So this is the one that I end up getting. This is the Bandolier XL. I love the red detailing on it. Red is like my favorite color, so I thought that was really, really gorgeous. They had a couple different styles in the store, a couple different straps, but this is the one that really stuck out to me, and I felt like I'm building my collection of the classic bags. I don't really want to go into like the specialty Louis Vuittons yet, because they're so trendy. And I want to be able to wear my bags and enjoy wearing them. With the trendy ones, I feel like you can wear them for a season, then you got to put them away for 10 years before they kind of become in again. So I knew that I could do something a little fancy with the strap. And it's the XL because it is longer than their guitar strap. So they do have a guitar strap which is thicker, you know, like the width is thicker and it's shorter. But you can see, like, putting the strap on it just gives it a whole different look. I love it. It's super, super cute. And then the strap here, as you can see, can be adjusted. I have it on the shortest setting right now, but there are, how many? 3 more holes that you can lengthen it. And I shortened it because I put it on my other bag, so I just wanted to see how that looked. But yeah, so that's the strap. It's gorgeous. So now on to why you should buy Louis Vuitton in Paris. So let's see. I wrote down everything so that way I can give you guys accurate numbers. So here in the States, the purse is $1,030, and that's before tax. So here in Arizona, we pay 8.6% sales tax. So with the sales tax of $88.58, this purse will come out to $1,118.58. The strap in US is $540. With the 8.6 sales for tax of $46.44, the strap would have come to $586.44. So I would have paid a total of $1,705.02 for both of these items if I bought them here in the United States. In Arizona, with our sales tax, that's how much I would have paid. So in Paris, the purse is 700 euro, which translates, our dollar is a little bit weaker than the euro, so 1 euro takes $1.14. So with the conversion, this would be 798 US dollars. I mean, right there, you just saved $200+ if you bought this in Paris over buying it here. Now, obviously, you have to be going to Paris, you have to have a plane ticket and all of that, but I'm just saying, it is marked up $200+ here in the States. The thing, and also to remember, the thing about tax in Europe is that their tax is already factored into the price. So when you go in a store, if it says $700, that already includes the tax. And for Americans or anyone that's not a citizen of any European Union, you get a tax refund when you leave the country, but I'll get into that. This one in euro was 370 euro, which translates to $421.80 in US dollars. So this was $421.80 in US, and this one was $798 in US. Once you did the conversion from the euro. So that would be a total of $1,219.80. So right there, I've already saved $500 by purchasing this in Europe over purchasing it here in the States. $500. That is epic. I mean, like, I would have bought this here, but to just be already going and to get such a huge tax break on it, or not a tax break, a huge price break on it, is mind-blowing. So then it gets even better because, like I said, their tax is already factored into the price of their items. So for my purchase, it came to $1,299.80. 12% of that is $146.37. So that amount will be refunded back onto my card. You also have the option to get it back in cash, but you get less back in cash and you just have it put it back on your card if that was your mode of transaction of payment. So that takes my price down to $1,073.42 for both items. So I literally saved over $600 by purchasing these two items in Paris over purchasing them here in the United States. $600. That's a whole nother item at Louis Vuitton. That's a wallet. That's another strap. That's a pair of sunglasses. That's so many things. So the savings is huge. I mean, if you think about it, this one item The purse alone was $11.18.58 here in the States. So I paid less for both items in Paris than I would have paid for the one item here in the United States. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you happen to be going to Paris, if you're planning a trip to Paris, if you're planning a trip to Europe, and you're deciding where I want to go to Paris. Get you a Louis, live the life. Other than that, Paris is great, obviously. I really enjoyed my time there. Did some great thrifting, which I'll do a video on. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope this was helpful. And I look forward to your feedback. Leave any comments in the description box, not the description box, the comment box down below. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I will talk to you ladies soon. Bye.